Hi, my name is Tamara Coleman. In today's video, we'll be talking about the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a key part of our immune defense. It contains organs and tissues that help fight infections, filter harmful substances, and maintain fluid balance. Today, we'll explore the functions of lymph nodes, spleen, thymus, mount, and we'll also explain the difference between right lymphatic duct and thoracic duct. Let's start with lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are bean-like structure that scatter throughout your body, but they're mostly located at the neck, groin, and armpits. Lymph nodes act as a filter for lymph, which is a clear fluid that circulates the lymphatic system. Inside lymph nodes, we have lymphocytes, which are white blood cells which act to destroy and target any pathogen. If there's an infection, lymph nodes could potentially become swollen, making it harder for it to filter out any harmful invaders. Next, we'll move on to the spleen. It is located on the left side of the abdomen and it acts as the body's blood filter. It removes damaged or dead red blood cell. It also sorts platelets that circulate just in case clotting is needed after an injury. The spleen also plays an important role in the lymphatic system as it produces lymphocytes and it filters out any pathogens found in blood. If an infection is detected, the spleen works to activate immune responses to fight off an invader. Next, we'll move on to the thymus. The thymus is located behind the sternum, and as a kid, it is a pretty big organ, but as we grow, it begins to shrink. The thymus is essential for the development of T cells, which plays an essential role in the lymphatic system. What happens to these T cells in the thymus is that they go there to mature in order to be able to determine their own cells from invaders. After this process happens, mature T cells are released into the bloodstream to fight invaders as needed. Now we move on to mount, mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue. This refers to lymphoid tissue located in the mucosa membrane, which lines the respiratory, urogenital, and gastrointestinal tracts. Mount is the first line of defense against pathogens that enter the body. It contains lymphocytes that quickly respond to infections, which makes it such an important part of the immune system. Now let's talk about lymphatic ducts. Where does the lymph drain after it has surpassed the whole body? These ducts are located in the right and left subclavian vein. There is a difference though. The right lymphatic duct only drains a third of the body's lymph, as to the thoracic duct drains the whole left side as well as the third missing from the right side. The right lymphatic duct drains the right side of the head as well as the right arm. The left or the thoracic duct drains everything else.